today because the chiefs are meeting the President of the Republic. Chiefs are being given cars. We, the war veterans, say chiefs deserve their cars. It is their right as leaders in the community to have cars. So do MPs, so do all other people. But most important, if you consider the population of Zimbabwe of 14 million and our treasure trove of riches, every Zimbabwean deserves a car. Every Zimbabwean deserves a better life. So let's not be made to be jealous of chiefs when they get cars. Rather than we complain that everybody should have cars. And they are not coming from a Kasukwere's farm being given to them. They are coming from the public coffers. So let's not try to give chombo. Let's not chombo and Kasukwere try to claim credit. This is the only motikari that takes fair. My chief. So we say to the chiefs, enjoy your cars. But as you enjoy them, don't allow yourself to have a trade-off of your car and organizing a vote from a person with a 60-house mansion and say, I will support you in your mansion when your child does not have a car, when your child does not have a job, when the community in which you are is full of graduates who are not working, when the people still look for inputs every day, every year in and year out. So chiefs, enjoy your cars, but say to Chombo, no, thank you, but no thank you. Thank you, but no thanks. They are not theirs. And we also to the Zimbabwean, be gracious to the chiefs. They didn't cause your problem. The problem is caused by the G40. So let's focus on the enemy. Let's not try to focus at pinpointing. And when the voting time comes to the chiefs, don't thank people for something which belongs to you by trying to organizing a vote for them. And incidentally, people of Zimbabwe will never be bought by material things. They value their country more than. Otherwise, Smith would never have lost an election. He had more capacity to bribe because his economy was working than this economy of the G40, which is not working. So people of Zimbabwe, be conscious of people trying to sell you trinkets in return for your vote. And that includes the chiefs. By and large, I think that's our appeal. We would hope that the business community and all other people of goodwill start a campaign to say, Abata Mashingo, Abata Ini. We may want even t-shirts. Zinotaura uti, Siana ene Mashingo. They have as much right to be Zimbabwean as anybody. Mashingo, yakafanana ne Mash Central, yakafanana ne Mash West, yakafanana ne Mash North, yakafanana ne Bulawayo. We are all equal as provinces. No one should intrude and try to undermine the integrity of another province by imposing his own people in that province. Another square, that's what he says. Because the general now appropriates himself as a feudalist. He wants to be each time nonsense from a young man whose parents have a dubious record during the war of being traitors. One of this year, one of Max Central. Guti baba wako wangu wali mtekesi Josiah Kasukweru. Ambia wangu waigara eko kudaewa siya ini. Now we want to masquerade this good. Dakar kwa wondo ndiri mudu mamela. What nonsense. Pana na chombo wakati wakati tatina wakakutamari madofu. Now he was not bright. And now he's not only on top of not being bright, he's very venom. Kuchaga nkuti daenda kufuma hii cha create kwa hapana ndio G40 andrew Victoria ana Jonathan proven traitors with even code numbers from the CIA. Yet nothing is being done to visit isumazwaye hondo ainze mutengesi those akataka vakazana for the Zipra forces. You cannot allow tolerate an enemy among the people because you destroy the confidence of the people. And now this man is being entertained and is being given a platform. President Mugabe. That's why we say, Amuna kwenda ku front, kwatakabva isusu vakarwa hondo. President Mugabe was 400 kilometers away from the nearest battlefront in Maputo. Otherwise he was 1,000 kilometers away, 1,500. Kutete, he was not part of. As we go leave at the front to entertain a traitor and then say, so his vision about these people is tolerant, liberal, maybe he indulges in treachery. Jonathan, we don't indulge in treachery about our veterans because we know the price. Those collaborators, that's the same Nana Mchipa vedu, that's the same Nana Chimguido vedu. But most important is the same Neva veterans. They are offended by what has been going on in this country, and they are men, our veterans. We are answering to those who are about G40. Vanavema veterans, Vaka to group to Chipanga. I don't want to mention him now because there seem to be problems. But my professor Rico Kukyo, Anashok, Vawama veterans, Vaka Wanda, and we are appealing to never more veterans, never more collaborators, never more Jiba, all over the country. Kutiyo, the heritage of your fathers is under threat from the G40. You must get involved. And that's also appealing to all couples in Zimbabwe to get involved in politics. Pane couple wali anetsa nemukadzari kukanofwa your marriage is more precious than other marriages. Iye mukadzi uyo muratidzewo kuti tine varume vedu kumba, tine zvinotinetsawo, tine pride nemamarriages edu. So every couple, every morning, munofanira kumuka muchitaura kuti tinoda kuratidza kuti tiwo couples akazara. And when you go to the elections and this is 14 million people, so there are 7 million potential couples, actual and potential. But anayemese mumboratidza kuti hapana chiri secret about one person's marriage. Yaanoda kugara achingofhaira naye kunge ndiye zvinonzi kuroorana kwatwanga nhasi, hakuna kutanga nhasi. People have been marrying each other for a long time, and they will be marrying each other for long after they are gone. You higher, very true. So, my comrades, by and large, this is what we want to tell you. This is a way to communicate to the community, and we are busy planning for our War Veterans meeting. And the man who is doing that is here. He is working. We hope we will not have any challenges because we have traveled this road before. The only country which has taken gas is the people who fought for it and thrown cannon, water cannon, Zimbabwe. G4 veterans enforcing the whole president of the republic to go and have a State of the Union speech to apologize. We don't want to travel that road again, the government. We also appeal to all the new ministers to facilitate so that we allow the democratic expression of organization Yemawa Veterans. And Comrade Mahia is busy with that. And we're hoping that we will be calling on all Zimbabweans to support us as the war veterans for our meeting. Just to support us. It's our meeting. It will be our meeting. And we are very Zimbabwe. Can you imagine muchimuka mangwana mchizo wanu wadayo watu rapawa. Amuna kana cabinet wane bafuru rapawa. Ramba makamira nema war veterans. We don't aspire for power. We aspire for the betterment of the Zimbabwe people. Thank you.
For these and other stories, visit our website www.263chat.com. Follow us on Twitter @263chat and like our Facebook page 263chat.